Someone knocking at the door. Somebody ringing the bell. Someone knocking at the door. Someone ringing the bell. Do me a favor. Open the door and let 'em in. Ooh yeah, let 'em in. All right. Here we go, guys. Oh my goodness. Can I say hold your horses? Look at you guys. Is it a blizzard out there or what? Come right on in. Hi there, Shiloh. Come on. Come on. Cece, come on. Come on, Cece. Come on. Harley. Come on in. Oh, look at you. Yeah. Look at Shiloh. Ooh, she looks like a Mustang. All right. Come on, Harley. Come on, buddy. Come on. You can come in, Harley. Shiloh, you need to go in the stall. You need to go in the stall. You're in the wrong stall, little princess. Okay, come here. Shiloh, come here. Come here, Shiloh. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, yeah. You're living the Mustang life, huh? Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm back. Come on. Okay. We'll walk this way. And we'll walk this way. Look out, puppy. And we'll go around this way in front of Cece. And you get to go right in there. There you go, sweetie. Boy, oh boy. Now let's go get the princess. Put her in her spot before she eats all of Cooper's grain. Why is it so special having Cooper's grain? Yeah. Go nice and easy. Nice and easy. You know where you're going. Get in your stall. Okay. Good. Now who are we down to? Come on, somebody come in the barn. Come on, Harley. Come on, bud. I gotta lead you too because you'll be trying to eat Cooper's grain too. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Y'all are playing Mustang tonight. Whoa. Easy there, boy. Easy. Where's the grain? Zip around. You little half scoop. Did you close the gate, Cooper? Now, even though you got the last stall, I know you're going to go walk around. Whoa. Yep. There you go, walking around. Now come back. Go in your stall because you know there's grain in there. Right in your stall. There you go, bud. Where's the grain? Oh, yum, yum, yums. Yum, yum, yums. Hey, Sonny McQuick. What's up, bud? What's up, 20-year? Oh, look at those ears. Look at those ears. Ooh, you look vicious. You look like a monster. Yeah. Okay, let's go seal up the barn. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that icicle hanging off you. Good thing you're a horse. This side. There we go. There we go. Now, just because we like you guys, we will get this stuff off you. Somebody decided to take the sweat scrapers and hide them up. What is that? What is that? Did you go outside, Byron? Okay. Why'd you run out the door? There you are. There you are. Okay, let's go right down the line. So, Cooper, you're not even really that bad, but we'll get this off and off your blanket. It wasn't too bad out there until it started snowing, huh? Funny what a little snow will do. Okay, let's get the little princess. Yeah, she knows who she is. Okay. Yeah, she's got to be a little sassy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Cut that out. Yeah. Yeah, what is that? Oh, what's Dad doing? Come on. Okay. Okay. You gotta be a little sassy. There you go. There you go. Get all that off. It'll dry. It'll dry. Okay, next. Next is Harley. He's a tank. Harley's a tank. You got all the fur. Oh, look at this. We could build a snowman on you. Okay, bud. Oh, yes. There you go. You got it. Okay. Next. Come on. Shiloh. how do you stay so hardy when you're so skinny? Okay. Okay. There we go. He's getting snowballs off. Oh, look at those. Next August, you guys will be dreaming about these days. Remember when it used to be so cool that we get snowballs on our fur in our hour of snow? There we go. Okay. Here they are. Finally. Okay, good. Okay. Now we can get old Precious number one, I guess. Because she's just a baby at 15 or whatever, 12. Sonny, he's pretty rugged, but he is 20. So. Isn't it funny that the one at the door banging, asking to come in was the little baby. The little baby, the youngest one carrying the baby. All right. That's it. What do you say to that one, Cece? Get this by your ear? Yeah, get it by your ear. Yeah, you just get your ear. Oh, good girl. Okay. How is it, Cooper? Good? Is that good stuff? Okay. Yep, you're in. There we go. Well, thank you all for a happy birthday. Enjoy the extra granules of grain on my behalf. Yes. Yes, enjoy, Cooper. Enjoy this special hay. And I will see you in the morning. Why, you ask, Princess? Why will I see you in the morning? Because that's the way I do it.